Good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. So, can anyone tell me what was the previous topic I have taught you in the class? Anyone? Quickly, you have to drop a message in the chat box. What was the previous topic I have taught you in the class? Quickly. Yes, I have taught you Diwali memory drawing, right? So our today's topic is we are going to I'm going to teach you today how to make a pot, a proper design of a pot, and in that pot how we are going to decorate or design it. We are going to use a blowing and flowing technique. It's very easy and it you will really love that, enjoy that thing. Okay, the process is very fun. Okay, so let's begin with this. Okay, so I hope each and everyone is for the lecture. So I'll just turn the camera. Okay, so this is my drawing book, and what we are going to do is we are going to make a border of 2 centimeters. Okay, so how we are going to draw a border of 2 centimeter? Okay, so this is your drawing book. How we are going to do it? We are going to use. Wait a minute. So this is your drawing book. Okay, and we are without using a scale. How you are going to draw a border? So this is the technique. How you are going to do it? Okay. This is how you can draw the border of 2 centimeter from the corner without using a scale. This is the quickest way of drawing the border. Yes, here you can see I have drawn the border. Now I'm going to mention today's date. Your today's date is 1st of December 2020 and your topic name is pot design with blowing and flowing technique. Okay, so this is the way how you're going to do it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a proper design of a pot. First, you have to draw a straight line from the center. Okay, standing way, I'm going to draw it in this way. So now coming to the bottom, this is my bottom line and this is my top line. Okay, so from here, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a measurement and I'm going to draw the upper part of the pot. Okay, so this is the way, and then I'm going to draw it in this way. So this is the way how you're going to do, measure the point over here and then go as per this shape, measure the size. Okay, and then you can just drop a point over here and then you can join the line. So this is the way how you're going to draw the pot. Yes, this is the proper way of how you can draw the pot. This is the way how you can do it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you can see the middle line. You can see the middle line. You can just erase this thing. Okay, you can just erase this thing from here. Okay, so this is how you're going to draw the pot, and you can just draw the upper line. So this is how you're going to do it. You can erase the inside line which we have drawn for the top part and the bottom part. So this is our pot which we have done. So now what we are going to do is you can make these lines bit dark, or you can use a marker or a sketch pen for making the outline. So this is how we have done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do the blowing and flowing technique. Okay, so this is how you're going to do. I've taken my watercolor. You can use the poster colors, you can use watercolors, and or you have, if you have acrylic color, you can use this. So now what you are going to do is we are going to make, first I'm taking the water. So it's very necessary when you for making the blowing technique or the flowing technique, we need water. First you have to give a wash of a water in this way. Okay, and then you can do it in some parts. Okay, don't do it whole, don't give the wash of the water in the whole part. Use do it little bit. Okay, don't rub, don't press the paper, or don't do it in harsh way. So now here I'm using color. Just look at this. Here I'm using a yellow color, and now I'm just going to press this brush on this. So what happens, see how the color is flowing. Yes, so this is how you can do it. You can use various colors. Okay, you can use various colors. Here I'm using a chrome yellow color in this way. See how the color is flowing. Yes, isn't it? So this is the way how you're going to do it. Then you can use, I'm going light to medium and to dark shade. So this is how you're going to do. So just look at this, how it's flowing. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Take the color little bit and just flow it in this way. Yes, you can take some much more colors and you just have to flow the colors. Just look at this. Yes, after doing this, what you can do is you can just blow it in this way. Don't blow too much. Go as per the design, as per the shape. Don't let the color go outside of the shape. So this is how you're going to do. After you have done this, I'm taking a red color. Okay, here I'm going to take a red color now. Just look at this. Take the color much more and take water. Take colorless and use the water much. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Use the water. See, just look at this. Just look at the flow, how it's flowing. Just look at this. Yes, this is called blowing and flowing technique. Just look at the how the color is flowing. I'm not doing it purposely. It's automatically take when the water comes, the color is flowing with the water. Okay, so this is the way how you're going to do it. Take some much more water over here in this way, and we are going to take a red color now. So I'm just going to drop this. Just look at this. Yes, just look at this. This is called flowing technique. Yes, get to the border in this way, and then you can use some green color in the center. Just have a pinch. Just look at this. Yes, this is called flowing technique. Then you can use some much more different colors. Here I'm using a red color now, crimson red. So just look at this. Okay, and then you can use the water and just look at this. Just look at this shade, how it's flowing. Yes, this is the way how it's flowing. It's very easy and it's very simple. Okay, so now we are going to take a blue color, and I'm going to put it in this way, in this side, some much more dark. Yes, you have to do the outline properly. The shape should be looking good. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Just look at the flow. So this is how you can do it. So here you can use some light blue color shade also. Okay, you can use a light blue color shade in this way. Use as much color you want, you can use in this. You can use light, dark, medium. If you want your color, your pot should like look colorful, you can use all these shades. Yes, I've used light green. Now I'm going to use some dark green shades also in this. You can see each and every shades present over here. Yes, in this way you can do it. Just look at this. So look at the down part. Okay, so here I'm going to use a dark green shade in the center from passing from here. Yes, and some of yellow I'm going to use over here in this part. Yes, so this is how I have completed with this pot. You can see there are some shades remaining. There are some spots, white spot. Let it be. Okay, no issues. Let it be. You can use it in this way. Now you can see the pot, the upper part of the pot. You can just take a black color and you can just color it in inside part. Just look at this. Get the border done. Okay, taking some water and just look at this how the color is flowing. Yes, so this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, just look at this. This is our pot which we have done now. So for giving a proper shadow, you can take a black and just spread it out. So here, this is your shadow. Just look at this. Now, for blowing technique, what you're going to do is we are going to take a green color. Okay, here I'm going to take a green color. I'm going to make a spot with water and color. And what you're going to do is we are going to blow it off this way. Yes, make a dot over here and just blow it out this way. Just look at this. Yes, so in this way, this is called flowing technique. So this technique you can use it in the background also. If you want, you can make some grass over here. For making the grass, here I'm using first I'm going to get a yellow line over here this way. Okay, after doing this, I'm going to take green color. Just look at this. getting some much more color over here, some water, and just look at this. Yes, you can do it in this way. Just look at this. Yes, see, this is how you can do it. You can use as much shade if you want, you can use this. Okay, just look at this. Now you can take some much more of dark green shade. Okay, we are going to take a dark green shade over here in this part. Just blow it off. Just look at this. Yes, now coming to this part. So you can take some much more of yellow. If you want, you can take yellow part, yellow color in this and just blow it out. See, this is the way how you can do this. Get a yellow color. Yes. So this is how you're going to do it. You can add a green dots over here in this part. Yes. You can see here I'm using a green dots, adding some water in this. Okay, and just blow it out. See, yes, you can take dark green color and just blow it out. Yes, so this is the way how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, so this was our today's topic, blowing and flowing technique. Just look at this. As you have completed this, now you can just do one thing. Get a black color marker. If you have black color marker, if you have black color marker, you can use black color marker. If you're not having black color marker, you can take a paint and can do it. Black pen also. Okay, so this is my black pen over here and get the proper outline done. Don't use paint, use a black pen or a black marker for getting the proper outline. Yes, just look at this. Do it properly. Okay, go as per the shape. Okay, it will give you a neat and tidy work. So just look at this. Yes, so this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Do the outline properly. Yes, in this way. Get the outline done properly. Okay, do it nicely. Your line should be proper. So you can do it. Okay, so just look at this. This is our pot with a proper outline. If you want, you can make some design with the pen or a marker. You can make a design with a pen or a marker in this way. Just look at this. Here I'm adding some designs. You can make some lines and you can make some designs in this. Okay, so just look at this. You can make the design with your own ideas and you can do this. Okay, so just look at this. Yes, this way you can design the pot. Just look at this. This is how you can do it, and you can add some designs in this. Okay, so here we go. I'm adding a Wadley design in this. This is how I'm doing it. Just look at this. Yes. This is how I'm adding the Wadley design. You can use any design you want. You can use your own ideas and you can do this. Okay. So this is how you are going to do it. Here you can see I'm adding a Wadley design in this. Okay. Just look at this. Yes. So this is how I've done the upper part designing part of the pot. So this is the way you can if you want you can add the whole design or this much is done. Okay, so just look at this. This is how your pot design is done today. This was your topic. You can add some much more design if you want. Okay, if you want to cover the half pot you can do it in this way. I'm adding some much more design in this. So just look at this. Look at this design now. The design which I'm going to make now is for unity. Yes, this symbolizes the unity. Just look at this. Yes, and you can add some shades in this way. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Yes, so this is how you can design the pot with your own ideas. Okay, if you want, you can add some much more designs in this. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it, and you can add your own design in this pot. Just look at this. I'm using a black pen and I'm designing the pot. Just look at this. Yes, so this is how you can do it. Okay, and you can add the designs in this. So here I'm using a U design and I'm going to fill it inside. This is how you're going to add the design in this. You can add one, two, three dots in this way. Big, small, and small. Again, big, small, small. In the center, big, small, small. Again, big, small, small. In this way, you can design the pot. Okay, getting to the bottom. This is how you're going to draw the line, and you can add the linings in this. Yes, just look at this. And add some design from the bottom also. This way you can add the design from the bottom. Okay, and then divide this petals into half. Yes, and you can just get the proper shades. Just look at this. Yes, so this is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, so just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. This was our today's topic. So this was our today's topic. You can just look at this. This was our blowing and flowing technique. Okay, here I have taken my watercolors and I have done the background. You can see this is all flowing technique over here, and this is how we have done the blowing technique. Just look at this. So this is how you can do it. Okay, you can do one more thing. You can take one, you can make some flowers in this. Okay, For making this flower, you just have to do one thing. You just have to pat it in this way. Yes, just look at this. This is how you can make the flowers. Yes, so this is how you can make the flowers in this way. Just look at this. Yes, so this is how you can make the flowers. Yes, so this is how our pot is ready with the blowing and the flowing technique. Just look at this. This is our pot. Yes, I want each and everyone to just look at this. This is our pot, how we have done it.